Well, good evening. It's Megan, and I am going to describe to you how I did the Google Docs assignment. So first, here I am on my Google Docs account, and then I went up here to hit on the blank to get to where I'm at here. And here is my animal management little few paragraphs that I wrote about why it's important for us in agriculture industry to let people come tour and have field trips, but also it's important to know what exits and enters our farm. And then once that was done, I had Amber down here, a classmate, go through my assignment to make sure I had any grammar problems or spelling errors and just what I either needed to take out or put in. And she actually gave me the idea to add what's in highlighter about what an actual virus or disease I knew about. And I guess for me, having the background in the show pig operations, I kind of talked about the porcine epidemic diarrhea virus and kind of gives you kind of a breakdown of why it's truly important for biosecurity.